Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 46 and 47 of class 8 subject GK. Chapter name Save Environment. Our world is a beautiful place and it has sustained everything living on it for millions of years. Although our presence has done much damage to it, we still have a chance to change it. The wonderful thing that's happening today is that people are becoming more aware of the needs of our environment and are showing signs of willingness to make a change. When we talk about environment, it involves everything around us, not just the weather. It includes all the animals, plants, and human beings living in this planet. First, start your own group. Start your own group with the help of an adult. Start your own environmental club. Read the newspaper or check the web for ideas. Reuse and recycle. Wrap your gift in reusable canvas or jute bags. Decorate and use empty cans and boxes to put your gifts and make gift tags with old cards. Use your painting, colored pictures, and drawings for gift wraps. Conserve water. Drink plenty of water but use only as much as you need. Pour the leftover water in your water bottle over the plants. Take short shower. Say no to poly bags. Carry your own clothes or paper bags when you go shopping instead of poly bags. Plant more trees. Plants help us to breathe healthy air. We get food from them. Take care and don't let them die. Plant more trees. Conserve electricity. Turn off the TV when nobody is watching it. Switch off lights, fans, air conditioners, and heaters in unoccupied rooms. Did you know? Take showers instead of baths because almost twice as much water is wasted when you take a bath. Taking showers will not only reduce water consumption and wastage but also the energy associated with heating the water. Next chapter 47. Young Achievers. Achievers don't have any age. They have the will to do things. The young achievers in the world qualify as achievers with their sheer talent and hard work. Pictures and brief description of some early achievers are given here under. Can you name the first one? Here is the captain of Indian team under 19s cricket team and won the 2018 World Cup. He is Prithvi Shaw. So write Prithvi Prithvi Shaw Shaw. Second one, he became the youngest ever chess grandmaster at the age of 12. He is Sergey Karjakin. Sergey Sergey Karjakin Karjakin. Third one, at a young age of 11 years, he got the role of Harry Potter in the film Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. He received £8 million for the fifth film in the series. His name is Daniel Jacob Radcliffe. Daniel Daniel Jacob Jacob Radcliffe Radcliffe. Fourth one, he began composing music at the age of 5 and a year later began a concert tour of Europe. Who is he? He is Wolfgang Mozart. Write the name Wolfgang Wolfgang Mozart Mozart. Fifth one, He invented a system of printing with raised dots at the age of 12 to enable blind people to read. He is Louis Braille. Louis, Louis, Braille, Braille. Sixth one, he was 19 years old when he thought of the idea of the mechanical computer. His name is Charles Babbage. Charles, Charles, Babbage, Babbage. Did you know, at just 24 years of age, Sakshi recently became India's first Indian film wrestler to win a medal at the Olympics by bagging the bronze at Rio 2016, and also the fourth female medalist from the country. So children, we have completed chapter number 46, Save Environment. You have to read this chapter at your home, and we have completed chapter 47, Young Achievers. So you have to learn the names of these 6 young achievers, okay, and you have to complete your work on page number 54 in your textbooks. Okay, thank you.